Hi guys, today we're going to Saigon and we will bring you there for just a short period of time. So sumakay kami sa bus na to and we basically arrived in Saigon after 3 hours. So ito yung terminal nila and pumunta na kami sa aming hotel, which is the Palago Mac Hotel, and this is our room. And the room is really good. I think we spent about 700 Vietnamese dong, and look at the traffic. The traffic is so worst here. Like, hindi talaga makakamove yung sasakyan nyo. And we are here in Landmark 81. Ang Landmark 81 ay very famous dito sa Vietnam. And luckily, when we got there, maraming mga shops na nag-open. May mga bazaar outside. And we really love it there because yung vibe doon ay parang siyang Cebu. Sobrang city-like. Like, you have all the options. They have all the food options. And look at that. Marami ding mga K-pop na mga fanatics dito. Alam mo yung parang mag-play ng song and then you can just go there and dance. And ako yan. So, just showing you around the area. And marami din mga accessories, socks, mga shirts, kanyan. And then, bumalik na kami sa hotel. The next day, kumain na kami ng breakfast kasi free breakfast yung hotel. And this was the old view of Saigon. This was the old scene. And then, yan, sumakay kami ng taxi. And pumunta kami of course, sa simbahan. Because that day was Sunday. And they have this very iconic na cathedral. And that's the hop-on-hop of bus. That's the old post office. And maraming tourists, especially during the weekend. Just so sad lang kasi, alam mo, dahil maraming tao, parang ang daming basura. But look at those keychains, they're so cute. Marami silang mga borlolo and all. They have all the flowers, like fresh and not fresh or paper. But they have this art exhibit along the way dito sa, I think their street bookshop. And look at that. They featured coffee, their traditions, their culture. Napaka-rich talaga ng kanilang kultura. And they never fail